Got a loose finger ring and wish you could fix this issue without going to a goldsmith or doing any soldering work or so? Well, yes, you can do that, certainly, and I will show you in a bit how you can fix this loose finger ring issue. This is the finger ring that I was talking about that is loose, and I will be fixing it and also showing you all how it is done. So let us begin. For this you will need a string. Thicker the string, better it is. Here I have taken a nylon string. You all can even use cotton. Cut off a nice length because you all will be using it for winding purposes around the ring. So I'm just measuring and I will make a cut there. Now, forming a loop, I will hold it on the inner side of the ring. Inner side meaning which faces inwards of your fingers. And I will see from which end I would need to do the winding of the nylon thread. So, I will begin with the winding from the end portion where the loop string is hanging out, as you can see. Just pull the string through the ring in this way. Now when you're winding, remember that the loose end of that loop string needs to go inside the winding there. The winding will go over the loop string and then you will keep on winding the ring in this way. Friends, I will change the angle so it will be easier for you all. Now let's continue with the winding. I will be doing the winding till I feel how much rounds are enough to tighten the ring. So let's go through this very quickly. So friends, I'm done with the winding and I'm just adjusting these windings to come in the center on the inner side, and there I'm done. Pulling it little by little, you can move those winding rings. And for the end part, what I will do is, before I could finish the winding, I will push it through the loop, the closed end of the loop that I have. Once I push it through the loop, I will pull the string out in this way, and from the other side I will tighten it up. That is the end portion of that loop. So once I have done that, the windings are secure and your ring also will be a perfect fit. Now cut off the excess string, and the end portions you can seal. If it's nylon, you can seal it with the help of a lighter with fire. If not, if it's cotton, you can just trim it out with the scissor. So that's how your ring will look at the end. So friends, wasn't that hack useful? Do let me know in the comments section from where all y'all are viewing my hacks, and let me know if y'all found it useful or not. For those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel, as always, I would like to request y'all to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that y'all do not miss out on any updates that I share on my channel. Recently, I have been posting shorts videos with hacks that are quite easy to follow and y'all can watch within a minute's time. Do pay a visit to my channel shorts column so that y'all can benefit on new and easy hacks. So that's all on this episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.